Someone got paid $7,000 for a video they never filmed. No ring light, no makeup, not even in the room. Their AI influencer did everything. Attina, an AI fitness model, makes $11,000 a month. Lil Miquela landed Prada and Calvin Klein. Magnalu has millions of followers pulling real brand deals. Gary Vee called it. AI people will be the biggest influencers on the planet, and smart humans will own them. So while you're stressed out about posting schedules, someone else built an AI twin or influencer that works 24/7. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to build one in 3 ways people are actually making money from them right now. If you're a busy creator drowning in content demands, if you're a UGC creator tired of filming 50 unboxes a week, or someone who loves the idea of income without being glued to a camera or location, this is your play. So here's what's happening. Virtual influencers are booking campaigns that pay more per month than most creators make all year long. And people are cashing those checks. They're not just influencers, they're the owners of that character. So today we're covering what AI influencers actually are and how the top ones monetize. 3 proven money models you can plug in right now and a simple framework to build your AI twin or your AI influencer without drowning in tech. I'm Bree, and we build time, location, and financial freedom with content creation, UGC, digital products, and AI. Now, before we get too far, I created a free AI influencer starter kit, a niche pick with character assistance, 5-step roadmap, your first 10 video ideas for social media, and a resource list with multiple platforms so you're never locked in to just one tool. The link is below, so after this video is over, grab it and go DIY or stick around for the full system at the end. So what is an AI influencer? A digital creator with consistent appearance, defined personality, real social accounts, brand deals, and or products. Sometimes fully CGI, sometimes built from a real photo and transformed into an avatar. Now get this, Lil Miquela collaborates with Prada and Samsung. Magdalu started as a retail assistant, now has 14 million plus followers. And Attina books campaigns like a human model, but she's 100% AI. Look, these aren't filters. These are digital people already getting booked and paid. So of course you're asking, brands are actually paying them. Yes, brands are actually paying them. Fashion, tech, beauty, gaming, retail, brands love virtual influencers for total message control, zero scandal risk, and unlimited content in any language, anytime. So as tools improve, most people can't tell AI from humans at first glance. The main thing to remember, the money is real, the brand is real, the influencers are not. So of course, your next question is, does this mean that human creators are done? No, not for everyone. But creators who don't learn how to use this technology will probably get left behind. Creators who ignore AI will get left behind by creators who leverage it. Gary Vee said it. AI people will dominate and smart humans will own them. So you got to remember, you're still the brain, the strategist, the storyteller. Your AI twin or AI influencer is just the talent you deploy when you don't feel like getting dressed and putting on your makeup and showing up in front of the camera. So of course you're wondering, do I need a big following first? Nope, you could start with 0 followers. As a matter of fact, it's better that you start with a fresh, clean slate. 0 followers plus strong content, plus AI as your brand face, or even a small audience. So you've got UGC, the AI influencer, as the service. Did I make that up? I don't know, but I love it. Anyway, a small creator with a clear offer and an AI avatar moves faster than a burnt out, big creator refusing to adapt. So of course you're wondering, is building an AI avatar super technical? Only if you want it to be. When building an AI influencer, remember 3 words: look, voice, movement. Look, your visual consistency in photos and videos and everywhere your AI influencer shows up. The voice, the personality, the tone, does it feel real? The movements, how they show up on screen. Notice how the look stays consistent, the voice matches vibe, and the movement looks pretty natural. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Tools like Nana Banana, Higgsville, OpenArt, HeyGen, Vid.io, and 11 Labs can generate AI influencers that walk, talk, and convert. And later on, I'll shortcut you to the exact combo that saves you so much time so you can get started setting up your AI influencer and earning right away. So if you're thinking, this sounds great, but I'm so lost, where do I start? That's why I made the starter kit. It includes a 5-step roadmap, a character and niche worksheet, and I'll even give you your first 10 video ideas that you could start putting on social media as soon as you create your AI avatar. Plus, I'll also include a resource list with multiple platforms for you to choose from. Now let's talk money. Pick the lane that fits best for you right now. Money Model 1, the AI Twin Amplifier. Turn yourself into an AI twin. Your AI version can host short form content, can sell your own digital products or services. It shows up for your brand deals even when you don't want to. And your revenue streams are building collabs using your AI twin, or your own offers or affiliate links in every video. Remember, you are the brain. The AI twin just scales you. Model number 2, AI influencer as a service for UGC creators, editors, and service providers. Instead of one-off videos, you build and manage AI influencers for brands, coaches, founders. Create monthly AI video packs, hooks, variations, concepts. Charge a flat fee or retainer for always on content. So unless you want to, you're not the UGC girl anymore. You're the partner giving clients an AI influencer that never burns out. And model number 3, the Faceless funnel. Build a niche channel where your AI influencer is the host, like AI for creators, money and side hustles, wellness, productivity, travel. Every video drives to your email list, digital products, templates, courses, affiliate links. Your AI influencer becomes a 24/7 digital salesperson feeding your business. When you hear AI influencers, don't think ugh or hype, think asset, system, revenue stream. The starter kit breaks these 3 lanes down so you can commit to one instead of trying to do everything at once. Now, before you get all crazy and run out there and get started, let me tell you the biggest mistake that I see: treating your AI avatar like a joke instead of a brand asset. And creators fail who slap together a random AI face that looks like plastic, no clear niche or voice, and they try to pass off their AI avatar as if they're real, even if they look real. Be transparent. And if you have no offer behind your content, you're just posting. So you want to have results. You don't want to have lost trust, a confused audience, and you all burnt out. So do this instead. Start with a strategy, not a software. When you're setting up your AI influencer, your AI avatar, or your AI twin, ask, who is it for? What problem do they solve? And how will they make money? Then build a character around those answers. Give your AI influencer a clear lane. Talking about AI tools for creators, soft tech girls helping women make money with AI, a calm money approach for side hustlers. Make it obvious why people should follow you. Be transparent. You don't want to hide that it's AI. In 2025, 2026, and beyond, people respect creators who use AI. They don't respect being lied to. Tie every video to a next step. For example, your lead magnet leads to an email list, or your services or digital product. AI without a business model is just expensive entertainment. Get this right, and your AI influencer becomes an asset that grows with you, not a toy that embarrasses you later. So here's what we know. Brands are paying virtual influencers like Lil Miquela, Magnadu, and Attina real money for real campaigns. Gary Vee predicted AI people will dominate. And right now, there's a real window where regular creators can still get in early, build AI twins, AI avatars, and own digital characters that work for their brand. AI isn't here to replace you, but creators who partner with AI will outrun those who don't. You don't need a massive audience. You need a clear money model, an AI avatar that fits your brand, a simple system that turns attention into income. So here's how to make money with your AI avatar. Grab the free AI Influencer Starter Kit. The link is below. That's your DIY path. If you want more structure, more step-by-step, and a community, check out the link for the advanced AI avatar training that I recommend. It walks you through building and monetizing your AI influencer step by step, from concept to first paid deal, and lifetime access is included. Yep, no subscriptions. So don't be the person who looks back in 3 years saying, I remember watching a video about AI influencers and I did nothing. If this opened your eyes to what's possible with AI influencers, AI twins, virtual influencers, faceless content, UGC with AI, and using AI as a creator to actually make money online, then tap like and hit subscribe.